Welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole with Eric Ebersol. Imagine you're at a crosswalk, your phone buzzes, and you need to decide left or right, inbox now or later. Picture 3 tiny tokens in your head that make that split-second choice feel clear. One to focus, one to calm you, one to let go. Try one with me now. Welcome to Down the Rabbit Hole. I'm Eric. Our claim: tiny, repeatable symbols beat heavy rituals for day-to-day decisions. They're fast, reversible, and actually get used.
I like that. Short, practical, and honest. That's what makes it sticky. You don't need a shrine. You need something that fits your pocket and your attention.
Okay. Quick method in 2 lines. Notice a sense, a memory, or an ordinary object. Pick one, hold it for 15 seconds, and notice what shifts.
Wait, what counts as a sense here? Is it really anything you feel in the moment?
Exactly. A sound, a texture on your skin, the smell of coffee, anything immediate you can call to mind without digging through the past. Then do the 15-second micro test. Picture it, repeat a 1-line anchor, and check your body's response.
Let's start with the focus token, the one that snaps you to the decision at hand. Picture one small image that feels like forward motion, a lighthouse, a window, even the edge of a page. Attach a tight anchor, one short phrase you can say in a breath.
Totally. Quick example, my focus token is a paperclip.
No way. A paperclip? That actually works?
Yes. I see that little U shape and I think, trim the unnecessary, choose the useful. It stops me from overcomplicating. The anchor is short. Trim it. Works mid-decision, not a lecture.
Try this now. Breathe in. List 3 small things you noticed today. A sound, an object, a memory. Pick the one that points forward. Say a short anchor in your head, like one clear step. Hold that image for 15 seconds and watch your body. Does your chest ease? If it tightens, swap it out. Experience shows the right image calms the decision process.
Next up, the soothe token, a tiny reset for the nervous system. It can be sensory, like the curl of your sweater, or a micro gesture you do without thinking. Pair it with a soft phrase, soft here, or slow now. Keep it gentle.
Let's do a 2-breath practice. Breathe in for 3, out for 4, and press thumb and forefinger together once. Silently say, soft here. Do it now with me. Inhale 2, 3, exhale 2, 3, 4, press. Nice. That 1-2 combo shifts the body quick.
A safety note. Choose neutral objects if you're worried a symbol could spike emotion. One time, I kept a memory-based token for a week and it pulled up rumination, so I swapped it for a neutral texture. If a symbol triggers strong feelings, stop, breathe, and choose a different token.
Good point. Now for the release token, something that lets you set something down. Some people like a gesture. Rub palms, then open them, imagining the excess falling away. Others use a short phrase, not mine to carry. The action signals a change of mode.
Tamara, I want to push back for a second. Do you ever worry the ritual feels performative? It can look dramatic but feel hollow if there's no intention behind it.
Totally. And that's why intention matters more than theatrics. The brain notices consistent tiny actions. Whether it's a quiet fold of paper or an invisible palm opening, repetition makes it meaningful. Think of it as a tiny permission slip. You can set this down.
Exactly. Keep release gestures brief and repeatable. If a ritual becomes loaded, it stops working. Small, kind, reversible. That's the rule.
All right, quick 30-second weave you can do when you're leaving home or shutting your laptop. Start with your focus token. Picture it and say your anchor, one clear step. Press thumb and forefinger as your soothe cue. Breathe out and say, soft here. Then do the release gesture. Open the palms, imagine the weight dropping, and say, not mine to carry. Go with me now, quick. Focus, soothe, release. Remember, fast, reversible, and actually used, that's the rule.
That tiny narrative really works. A beginning, a middle, an end. People tell me it helps mark a boundary without drama. Try it a few times and tweak the anchors. You'll be surprised.
Practical takeaways. Keep symbols simple. Test them fast. Swap them when they stop fitting. Use neutral substitutes if emotions spike. And remember, these are for small transitions, not therapy. If deeper stuff arises, please seek support.
Before we go, pick one token to try today. Picture it, assign a one-line anchor, and do the 15-second test. If it loosens something, keep it. If not, tweak it. And if you liked this, subscribe to Down the Rabbit Hole for more quick, usable tools. Don't be afraid to learn.
I would love to hear what you pick. Tag us with your tiny tokens. I like that these are playful and actually doable. Go try one now.
And a last quiet note. If a token ever feels heavy, you are allowed to change it. That permission is part of the practice. Take care and let your tiny tools do the small work.
Thanks for listening to Down the Rabbit Hole. Don't forget to subscribe and try choosing your first token today. 15 seconds is all it takes. We'll see you tomorrow. You've been listening to Down the Rabbit Hole with Eric Ebersol.